Meet the Sheriff DMC2, a powerful, rigid desktop CNC machine designed for manufacturing precision metal components in a variety of materials and steels. The DMC2 takes the capabilities of an industrial 3-axis CNC machining center and shrinks it down into an affordable, desktop-sized machine capable of similar high-quality machining results. The DMC2 is designed to fill the gap for small businesses, hobbyists, engineers, and thinkers that have a need to make small to medium-sized precision parts, but don't necessarily have the ability to pay thousands of dollars to machine shops for every few little jobs. The DMC2 lets you take your projects or even your business to the next level with high-speed CNC machining capabilities in-house for an incredibly low cost. The DMC2 is a machine built out of thick, high-quality laser-cut steel parts fabricated locally here in Canada. The machine features a 14-inch by 10-inch cutting area and a 6.5-inch Z-axis travel. With a 3 horsepower, 24,000 RPM spindle, this combination allows you to machine a variety of materials with plenty of internal space and work-holding options. The ER20 spindle can hold tools up to half an inch in diameter, including miniature insert mills and other specialty tools. The DMC2 features high-speed, closed-loop motors on all axes, capable of over 9,000 mm per minute rapids. All 3 axes and the spindle are able to e-stop the machine at any time if they detect a stall or abnormal operating condition, which makes the machine much safer to run and able to be left unattended while it works. The DMC2 of course has standard features such as a flood coolant system, e-stops, temperature sensors, automatic 3-axis probing, and many other features that add to the ease and reliability of use, making it safer and perfect for people who are new to CNC machining, as well as just convenient to quickly and accurately set up parts. The rigid steel frame, closed-loop motors, and dual spring-loaded ball nut axes ensure precise and reliable operation in the most challenging jobs, capable of machining materials like mild steels, tool steels, stainless, and even titanium, and just about anything else you can throw at it. This is the perfect machine for your shop or workspace where you are probably running into the limits of what your 3D printer can do for you. The DMC2 is a machine that truly enables you to go from an idea to a professional, finished metal product in a single afternoon, and for a fraction of the time and money that outsourcing to a machine shop would normally cost. The DMC2 is available as either a kit or an assembled machine ready to use. The kit is carefully designed and optimized to be simple and straightforward to build and calibrate. Great for schools, small businesses, and the average hobbyist, the kit is an ideal way to save money and have fun learning and building a complex mechanical tool. The detailed manual guides you step by step through the procedure if you opt for the kit, and all you need is basic hand tools and some general mechanical experience. If you're more interested in an out-of-the-box, ready-to-use productivity tool, then the assembled option may be better for you. The DMC2 has been in development and testing for over a year, and now is ready for mass production. We've done a small test batch to make sure that everything is good to go, and now we're ready to share this incredible tool with the world and get it in the hands of as many individuals, schools, makers, hobbyists, and small businesses as possible to give them the extraordinarily affordable in-house capabilities that they've never had before. We need your help now to secure a large first batch of DMC2 machines to bring down the initial fabrication costs for the entire project, and that will help us to eventually carry machines in stock as the community and demand grows. So get yourself a Sheriff DMC2 Desktop CNC while it's here now and take your manufacturing to the next level.